Ever wanna play games on your HiSense Roku TV but don't know where to find them or how to get started? It's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. So let's go through the quick steps to get you set up first. So first, you have to go to home screen and open the menu on the left. Now select search and type games. You will see gaming related results appear on the right side. So go to the app section to browse the games available for your HiSense Roku TV. So once you find a game you like, open it and select add app to install it on your TV. So after it's installed, return to the home screen and look in your app section. You will see the game here. Open it to start playing on the big screen. Most games will show on-screen instruction explaining how to use your HiSense Roku remote for gameplay. So and that's it. You're ready to enjoy gaming on your HiSense Roku TV. And if you had rather play using a PlayStation or Xbox, be sure to check out our separate video showing how to connect a gaming console to your TV. Hope this helped. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.